I'm Mitchell.
And I'm Mason.
And welcome back to Fort Worth Fabric News. Today we want to say we have finished the mystery quilt. So if you've been keeping up with our mystery quilt along, this is the completed thing. The quilting was done by Lori from Honeycomb Quilting. She's also the one that does our pattern testing, so this was actually done from her. I want to do a little shout out to her to thank her for all the help with getting this kit prepared. You can email her, send her your quilt, and she will get it quilted and send it back to you.
I don't know if y'all can tell if maybe Justin gets close enough, but there is pumpkins.
There's also
stitched
bats.
into it.
You see the bats?
I didn't see the bats.
There's bats as well.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, so there's like 3 different kinds, or 4 different kinds of pumpkins. You have this one,
Yeah,
this one, this one, and this one.
Yeah.
And then you have bats. Yeah, it's a really cool design.
Wow.
We want to thank everyone that has participated with our quilts along this year. Or not this year, but this season. I think this Halloween one turned out great. Now I'll be looking forward to our next one. I don't have any information on that. If you're not part of our Facebook group, I do recommend joining that. It's mostly based on the quilts along group. Of course, we allow you to use your own fabric. So if you didn't want to purchase the kit, that's okay. The patterns will still be released on there. But I was gonna say, usually the Facebook icon, like the picture for it, will change first. And usually once you see that change, you can sort of expect, hey, the next mystery quilt's about to be announced. So yeah, we once again want to thank Lori from Honeycomb Quilting for doing the quilting and the pattern testing and everything for us.
We can show a little bit of the back too.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of a...
So this is the backing that we chose for ours. The stitching, of course, came through on the same thing, so you'll see the same pumpkins. It's a little harder to see on this side, but there's pumpkins, there's some bats right here.
Next topic is our most recent video. So if you go to our uploads on our YouTube channel and look at the one prior to what you're watching now, we did a thing with Moda, which is
A jelly roll race to the finish quilt.
Jelly roll race to the finish quilt, and it was by all the guys in the building. So you also get to see other guys that you've never met here. People like Clint and Robert and Dalton, all great guys. Justin. Well, you get to see more of Justin, which I know all y'all want, and it was great. We all had a great time. Maybe I might start up my own YouTube channel. You might have to look at the video. I might have done that. Who knows? Maybe give me one for Christmas. I don't know. Anyway,
shout out to my Amazon wish list.
Right here. Yeah, go check out our last video. It's really, really good. I think we all did a great job. I didn't expect for it to look as good as it looked. So,
especially with all of us having like little to no experience sewing whatsoever.
And for the ones that did, it's been years. So like Mitchell and Clayton, it's been years for them. So we did a really good job, I think, and it's gonna get finished.
Yeah, it's in the process of being quilted. And then whenever that's done, we'll probably make a post somewhere on like Instagram, maybe Facebook, TikTok. We might make a video on it just showing
maybe a YouTube short.
Yeah, showing the completed quilt when we get that back.
Yep.
Next, we want to talk about making waves. It is a Kona Sheen based fat quarter bundle. So it has like a silver thread sort of going through the entire thing. So it's not necessarily glitter. So I'm not going to be able to wipe my hand and get glitter on my hand, but it does have like a cool little shiny effect if you get the right light on it. It is currently on sale for $19.96. I feel like that's a steal because it's how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 pieces in this. So for $19.96, I feel like that's
not bad at all.
That's a pretty good deal.
Yeah.
This is the Spellbinding Fat Quarter Bundle. Features a bunch of Halloween type prints. So I know it is sort of later in the season to be getting Halloween type prints, but did still want to showcase this bundle. So if you have any Halloween quilts that you're in the process of making of, you might need a couple little fat quarters for it, this bundle could probably work perfectly for you. It is currently $33.96, so you can feel free to check that out on our website as well.
Tour next month. Yes, by the time you're seeing this, next month, November. We don't have an exact date. We will get that soon. When we get that, you will know on all of our socials. But next month, November, we're gonna have a new VIP tour. If you're in the Metroplex, we would love to have you come here. And if you don't know about any of the other tours we've had, it's gonna be the same. There's gonna be some reps that show up. You're gonna be able to come into the building and buy stuff, which you don't ever get to do at any other point in time. Don't try doing it. We are an online store only, except for VIP tours. You get to come in, you get to meet everybody. We usually have food, so I'm sure we'll have plenty of food for y'all. We have the raffle, which is a ton of stuff for free. And when I mean a ton of stuff, I mean a ton of literally baskets like this big of free stuff. But you gotta get a ticket. There's usually only like 20 or 25 of them.
And they go quick.
They go fast. So if you're in the Metroplex area, If you're further, you could fly like I told the people last time, but that's on you. That's not coming out of our budget, but you could if you really wanted to. So yeah, look out on all of our socials for when we post a date for our next VIP tour.
And by now we should have, I think, 3 videos in total now of just previous tour things that we have done. So if you would like to check out any of those to see sort of what you can expect, there's some cool photos from our past events that Justin here was able to make for us. It turned out really good. Yeah, you can expect to see that sometime early November. The second we confirm the date that we're gonna work on it and get it set up, we will immediately go ahead and let y'all know about it. Anytime within the next month, I'd say, you need to stay on top of our socials and you can join in our next event.
Does it get posted in the newsletter?
Yes, it gets posted in the newsletter. So if you're not part of our newsletter, go to our website. At the scroll all the way down to the very bottom. There's a section there where you can type in your email and hit join newsletter. We send out newsletters every Tuesday and Friday. I think that does it for this video. So if you enjoyed it, please give us a like. You can hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. Feel free to drop us any comments. We will spend some time responding as well. So if you have any questions, concerns, just feel free
ideas.
Feel free to add it down there, and we definitely read all of our comments. So that about does it.
There we go.
We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.